Hello guys, welcome to Code Tonight. Today we will discuss this error. Let me show you Java language iterator. Guys, this is by tag name, multiple tag name from this site. I show you. This is I take the example for this practical. So if you show this, let me check. Can only iterate over an array or an instance of Java language iterate. Means you can iterate. This is type of an multiple stack name in this site, and you use only find element here, and find element for a single use for single element, but I take multiple anchor tag. So you take here, you write find elements. Now it resolved this error. That's it. Now you can run this. I already write my code. Let's see. Okay. This variable I take globally. You can use this type, like you can take list of web element. This is type of list, and it's also a list of anchor. Find elements I used here and put it into list web element, then use it in web element hyperlink get text and print it to system.out.println. Let me show you. Now run this program. See, this is all anchor links which is used in Rediff. This site 294 anchor link used here. This is the name of that anchor links. So we can use here find elements. That's it. Thanks for watching.